So, hi guys, welcome back. Easy English with Shivangi. My name is Shivangi. If you want to improve your English in a simple, in a easy way, so you are in a right platform. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Don't worry if your English is not good. We will learn English together step by step. But I want to say something, guys. You have to believe yourself. Yes, you have to confide yourself that you can learn English, you can speak English. Because if you don't believe yourself, who will believe you? Nobody can believe you, right? So you have to believe yourself, you have to rely yourself, which is most important. So let's jump into main topic. So, guys, you are the one. You don't speak English just because there is no any partner to speak English. There's nobody to talk to you in English, so that's where you are unable to speak. You are, you are facing a lot of problems. You are just thinking, I don't have any partner with whom I can talk. How to improve my English? How to talk to people in English? So that's where you have just go on Google, on other platform to search any application where you can talk to people free of cost. But what you got that if you want to use applications, so you have to pay amount. So that's where you stop using. So guys, I'm here to give you a good application. I'm going to tell about one application you can use free of cost. There's no need to pay a single penny. Yes, you heard me right. Yes, even I also use that application. So I want to reveal that application so that you can also improve your English. And one more thing, guys, you can talk to so many co-learner. There are so many, random people. They will not judge your English. They can't say you. They can't say you speak very bad English. There are so many people like you. Yes, you are the beginner, so you can talk to so many beginners people. Yeah, you are the one. Your intermediate level. Yeah, you are the one. Your advanced level of level, so you can also use that application because you will get so many people, a lot of people use that application. So I want to say one thing, guys, which is most important. Do you know what? First of all, I want to say one thing which is most important. uh, Using phone is in a correct way is good for you. And one more thing, nowadays people use phone but for scrolling reels, wasting time, squandering time. So that is completely precarious. That is completely dangerous for you. Right, guys? It can affect your eyes, it can affect your health, it can affect your study as well. But if you use the phone wisely, so that's a good for you. You will learn so many things just because of cell phone. So I want to say nowadays each and everybody has cell phone because cell phone is prevalent. Cell phone is very common, right, guys? So you can use that application easily. So I want to show you about that application, how to talk to people in English. So guys, that application name is CV app. SIVIAAP. You can get easily from Play Store. Yes, you can get easily from Play Store. As soon as you just download that application, furthermore, you have to just put your name and your phone number, and then you have to choose your gender, and then you can talk to people. I want to say something about that application. This time, I want to show you practical. You are totally beginner, you don't know how to talk to people, you don't know how to introduce yourself in English. So I want to show you so that you can get idea how to talk to people. And I want to give you some questions. This type of questions you can ask your co-learners, your random guys, your random people. So I want to say one thing about this application, but I want to show you this application and then I will tell you. So I want to show you that application. You can see that application. You can see CV. Yeah, this is a CV application. You can see blue and white. You have to click here. Yeah, you can see you have to click here And you can see there is a mark. You have to just cut. Just wait. And then you can see there is an option here. You have to click. And just wait, guys. There is a call option. You have to click here. As soon as you will click here, you will connect a co-learner. I want to show you how to talk to people in any stranger people. So I'm going to call. You can see. Just wait. You can see. You have to click here. See. I'm going to connect a person. Anybody can. She can girl. Yeah, he can boy. Hi Kumar. Um, yeah, I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing good. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. How about you? From where are you? Hello Kumar, are you listening me? Hello. Hello Kumar, are you listening me? My friend, this co-learner was not speaking, so that's why I had to disconnect call. I'm gonna call another one. You can see this screen. Whenever you talk to any people, so you have to fill your feedback. If that people, you know, that people talk to you in a good way, so you can give, a good star. Yeah, you can give bad star. It's totally up to you. So, and then you have to submit here. And again, I'm gonna call another people. So you have to call here again. You have to press here again. Hi, good evening.
Very good. Yeah.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Yes,
I'm fine. You?
yeah, I'm feeling excellent. Thanks a lot for asking.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. How about you?
Yeah, I'm from Karnataka.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah. What you do?
I'm a student. I'm pursuing my master.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
How?
I'm from a. I'm a design engineer, mechanical design engineer.
Okay. Yeah, nice to meet you
And
here.
yeah, thank you so much.
So,
And
yeah,
tell me.
yeah. So, how long have you been using this application?
2 weeks. And you?
I have been using this application more than 6 and 7 months.
Oh, so nice. Yeah, that's why your English is very good.
Thanks a lot. You're admiring me.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. You're gushing about me. But I'm not claiming I'm perfect at English. But yes, I'm able to speak English.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. I want to say
Yeah.
something. Literally, I'm engrossed about English. I'm captivated about English. I'm stubborn girl to learn this language. Literally, I like this language a lot.
Oh, super.
Yeah. So I'm here to improve my English, and then I want to reduce my fear. I want to cut down my fear. So that's why I'm here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for talking to me. Nice to meet you, Ram.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, in this way, you can talk to people. And one more thing, if you want to talk to the same guy again, so you can send, friend request. You can see there is a friend request. If you want to talk to the same guy again, so you can send him friend request, and whenever he's online, you can talk to him. And then you can submit if you don't want to make friend. So guys, in this way you can talk to people, and literally you will get so many people. They talk very politely, very nicely. Literally, I want to say one more thing about this application. As I told you, I have been using this application more than 6 and 7 months. So here you always connect opposite gender, not same gender. Suppose you are a female, you always connect always male. Yeah, you are a male, you always connect female. Hardly any you can talk to same gender. So I think people like talking in another gender. They don't like in the same gender. I think most of people they like talking another gender. So I think this is the amazing application. So if you want to improve your English, so I want to recommend you please use this application. It is an amazing application. You can talk to people every single day, half an hour, and you can improve your English in a funny way. And I want to say one thing, you are the one, you don't know which type of questions I can ask. So I'm going to give you some questions and you can ask. I showed you how to start your conversation, and furthermore, you can just say, what's about your hobbies? Where is your born and bottom place? What is your future goal? uh, how many places you have visited so far, how about your experience over this application, whenever you talk to go learn, how do you feel, can you tell me my English is good or not? You can say, I think, you can ask multiple questions. It's totally up to you about your education. If you like talking on the particular topic, you can talk as well. So literally, guys, this application is amazing. I like using a lot. So I want to recommend you want to improve. I want to say one more thing. You have to put your heart in this language if you want to improve your English. This is the only way. I'm adamant. I am very firm girl. Literally, I like talking to people a lot because I'm very curious about this language. I'm a determined. I want to say, so I always put in the extra mile. I mean, I always go in the extra mile to improve my English, and it's mean I put in extra effort to learn English. So I always go the extra mile. I'm so sorry, I told wrong. This time it is correct. This is the idiom. I always go the extra mile to improve my English, meaning I put in extra effort to learn English. If you want to improve English, just use this application and see your way of speaking. So this time I want to say something, keep on flourishing, keep on practicing, keep on maintaining your consistency. And you have to be patient and believe yourself and see your English. You see, your English becomes top notch. You can see you have silver tongue. It means you speak amazing English. Just believe. And one more thing, just say yourself. No cuts, no buts, no coconuts. Meaning, no excuses, no complaint, no arguments. And then learn English. If you're truly crazy for English like me, so use this application. Go to the next level. So bye bye, guys.